Hi guys, today we're going to make hot dakous or hot tomato paste. So if you want to know how I cook this or make this recipe, please continue watch my video. This is Helen More, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell down to keep updated for more videos from me. So wanna know how I cook? Let's go! So the ingredients, we need 1 tomato. I cut them into small pieces. Half onion, I cut them into small pieces. 1 garlic, I cut them into small pieces. We also need tomato paste to thicken the sauce. We also need a little bit of cooking oil. We also need 1 glass of cup of water. We also need 1 spoon of vinegar. For the spices, we need 1 spoon of chili pepper, a little bit of black pepper. We also need half teaspoon paprika powder, 1 spoon dry pepper spices, a little camoun powder, a little curry powder, a little coriander powder, a little turmeric powder. We need maggi cubes, and also we need a little bit of salt. So first up, we're going to heat the pan, and when it gets hot, we're going to put the cooking oil. Then when it gets hot, we're going to put the garlic. Then we put the onion. Then we put our tomato. Then mix. Then we're going to mix and let the tomato cook a little bit. So as you can see, our tomato is already cooked. Now we're going to add our tomato paste. Then we're going to add 1 glass of water. Then this time, we're going to put all our spices. As you can see, it's already thickened, right? But this is not hot. So we're going to put our pepper, chili pepper, paprika powder. We put also the coriander powder, curry powder, the turmeric powder, camoun powder, black pepper, and dry pepper spices. Then we put our vinegar and maggi cubes. We're going to mix. Then we're going to get it boiled for about 10 to 15 minutes. So now our hot dakous or chili dakous is done. So it's ready to serve. So now our hot dakous or tomato paste is done. So thank you guys for watching, and you have to put something here, and that's all, and God bless us all.